Auzubillahiminesh-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, how are you? I am Muhammad Nadeem and you are watching HTech IT Education. Today I am going to tell you how to install Visual Studio 2022. You have to just open your favorite browser and in the URL you have to write visualstudio.microsoft.com. So as soon as you will press enter, you will see this page this page displayed. Here, when you click this option, you have three options actually there available. Community edition, second one is the professional edition of 2022, and third one is the enterprise edition. So actually the first one is the free and open source for the developers. So let's click on it and start our installation. So actually it will start the installation, and here you can see initial file of Visual Studio will be downloaded. So for starting up the setup of Visual Studio, we need to go in the folder where this exe has been downloaded. So this is the location. From here we need to double click this exe and it will ask the permission being applied on system. So Visual Studio installer is ready to install. Before you get started, we need to set up a few things so that you can configure your installation. So let's start. It will take to you this screen. So this is our screen from where we can install our Visual Studio installer. So actually previously this Visual Studio was installed. However, I will tell you when you are going to install the fresh one where it will takes to you. So let's start modify, and it will take us to the same location where we can start our installation freshly. So this is that point when actually it was already installed on my machine. However, if you will installing it from a fresh point, then it will take to this screen. So this is that screen. Here you can see here are different options for installation like ASP.NET Web Application, Azure Development, Python Development, Node.js Development, and .NET multi-platform app UI development, .NET desktop development, and C++ development. So for which environment you want to install, you can do here. And keep in mind, and even if you missed someone, so the same way I have already adapted to install and to initiate the new installer so that the missing things can be installed. Now another thing which is very important to look in, first suppose we have selected the C++ environment. So here are different options which you will need to go, and when all of these options from this left side and right side, the installation details will on in the right side. So here you can see it will tell you that what space will be required. So one more important thing is there are two options. Here one is install while downloading and the second one is in download all and then install. Means if you want to install in an offline mode, then you should install this one, and this is important one. Here you will have option of the install. Currently you can see it is modify, It is because that already it was installed in machine. So here will be install. As soon as you will click the install button, the installation will start it. So in this way you can install your Visual Studio. So at the end I will say may Allah give barakah in our halal earnings, and may Allah by His grace not to make dependent on anyone except Himself. With these prayers, Allah Hafiz, and thank you very much.